Morning. It's close to 7, probably 5 or 10 to 7, and I'm waiting for my friends to pick me up. We are going to Marina South Pier together for a beach clean out with Zen free diving. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. And literally this is my second time in open water in St. John Island, so I'm quite excited. I hope today is a good day, and probably today is a good day, so yeah. Cannot see. Cannot see the face. That was my first diving spot in March. This is our rubbish from the sea, and it's what? Nearly less than 1 hour. One more bag right here. Gosh, how is it so hot?
A lot of the reusable stuff end up on the ocean floor, which is kind of what saddens me also. But we'll do what we can. Hopefully we'll come back more often and get more people and dive safely.
So Marcus, how do you feel?
Unbelievable. Just 1 hour we collect so much.
Whoa, look at that. Round 1 end. Wait, where's our rubbish? Okay, our rubbish is out there. Wait, you can't see, it's too bright. Okay, it's out there. There's one more bag. Yeah, Pat took it away and rolled it away. So, oh my gosh, what is this? Okay, anyway. Yeah, there's a lot of rubbish, especially the small stuff. Straws in the sea. Yeah, better not use it anymore. Oh my gosh, I'm so self-conscious about me using straw right now. But yeah, it's a very good experience. And I'm gonna see coral later on. I don't know, some scientist lab about corals. Looking forward to it. Yay!
Hi everyone, say something.
Say something. The beach is so clean. We are not being effective here.
Marcus, Charmaine, Huimian behind, changing her gear. Janice, Jasmine all the way behind. Suzanne.
Yes.
And this is Madam Judith.
Wow, Madam.
Ooh, we are at a special conservation bay, Bandara Bay, which is managed by M Parks and not SLA because it's actually a nature zone for conservation.
End of second dive, and there's a lot of sea forest right smack in the center over there. Can you guys see? Okay, somewhere around there. Yeah, a whole lot of forest. It's scary to me though, and the water is so clear on the surface, but you can't see anything below it, like probably like 2 or 3 meters. You can't see anything unless you go really close. And yeah, there's sea urchins inside there, and sometimes you may even see manta ray. I don't know which manta ray. Was it manta ray? Can't even remember. And there's whole lots of corals right down at the back here, and I only saw just small ones because I can't dive deep enough, and yeah, I need to practice my equalization. The amount of rubbish that all of us collected, look at that, lots of it. It's just for 2 areas. Look at 2 of them showering in the water, in the sea. Now we are done with cleanup.
So tired. Food time.
Yes.
Nap time.
That too.
Which one first?
Food. We are done with cleanup. The rubbish was 186 kilogram. Yay! Good job, Zen. Free diving.
Awesome.